Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm planning in my Encourager Layout social media planner, and I'm going to be using the new Dream Seeker sticker book. So let's go ahead and flip to, oh, here's a confession. So if you watched my plan with me last week, I did like this weird layout that was outside of my norm, and I didn't like it. So I'm actually filming, today is the 18th. So I totally took all those stickers off of my spread and redecorated. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all ever done that. But anyways, on to next week, or the week after next, the 27th through February 2nd. This is the last week. Oh, I tried to Franken plan a little bit, and I guess I need to put that back in my planner, babe. But this is the last week in January. January has flown by. So let's see what we can create in this spread. And so I did pick out some stickers, but I did things a little bit differently because I did have one of my subscribers mentioned that when I pre-choose my stickers and I lay them out on my wax paper the way that I'm going to put them in my spread, it kind of spoils the surprise. So I jumbled them up, and I really don't know how I'm going to use these stickers. I just know that I like the color combination. So let's get sticking. What I'm going to do down here, or to start with, is I think I'm going to put this sticker down in this bottom corner. It says anything is possible if you've got enough nerve. So ain't that the truth? So let's see, where do I want to stick this? I think I'm going to try to start right about here. And just try to cover up most of this. I can see these circles behind here, so I'm just going to white them out, and I'm going to white out this purple. I know that may seem like a little bit much for some of you, but for me and for my eyes, I need to get rid of this color behind here. So I'm just going to grab my Tombow mono correction tape and put it to work for me. And thank you to everybody who commented on last week's video. Y'all were very helpful to me in letting me know that my end screens really don't bother you. So I think I'm good with changing up my editing style and just not editing at all. And it's going to make my life so much easier. So these washi strips come in this Dream Seeker sticker book as well. And there are a few different options, if I can find them in here. I think I went too far. But there are a few different options for you to choose from that match the stickers in here. Where are they? There they are. So you have the flowers, you have the navy blue, the feathers, and then this like emerald green. But I'm going to use the flowers, of course. And I'm just going to line it up here at the bottom with the bottom of my boxes. So let's see, it is going to cover up this purple line, but I'm okay with that. So this one fit perfectly here, and then I'm going to grab this longer one to fit on the right page, or on the right hand side. And then I'm going to do the same thing. Just line it up almost to the bottom of the page. This size washi or sticker strip is much easier to work with than the really skinny one. It's kind of hard for me to get lined up the real skinny stickers. So that's cute there. All right, now the guessing game. Where should I put everything? I think I'm going to take this sticker that's got the feather on it. It says strong, brave, creative, pretty, unique me. And I think I'm going to put it on Sunday up at the top, so that I kind of have quotes diagonal to each other. And I've got to remember that this box is not the same height as your normal vertical planner. So this sticker is going to come over some. And I can see the line shadowing through there, but I'm okay with that for now. I may have to change that. We'll see. I may have to wipe that out. We'll see how I feel whenever I'm almost finished. Now, where else do I want to put stickers? I feel like, now I use this middle section as my revenue, and then down here I use it for my stats, and then I just use these for decorations and to-dos. But I want to use these long boxes here, and I think I'm going to use this one that says notes. So there's going to be 2 days on this spread that I actually cover up my revenue with these long boxes. But I will just write in my revenue wherever I can. And I am going to need to white out all of these lines because I can see them through the sticker, and I don't like it. This sticker is just not dark enough to hide all these lines. So let's get those whited out. I hope you guys are having a good weekend so far. I've had a pretty lazy weekend. It actually did get kind of chilly here. So maybe winter is coming for the South. We'll see. But it has been, I think next week is supposed to be like in the 20s, or this week that we're planning for. Actually, I think it's supposed to be in the 20s. We'll see how that weather holds up. So yeah, this is cute here. And then I'm just going to go put this one that says "You Rock." I'm going to put it over here somewhere. So I don't want to put it exactly the way that I've got it on this page, so I'm going to drop it down some. And I'm going to go ahead and white out my lines because I'm going to kind of stagger it here. So let's see how this will look in this section. Yeah, I think that's cute there. So this is what I have so far. I did pick out these 2 stickers. This one says feeling, this one says mantra. But they look so similar to these, I may not use them. So let's try to come in with this today and then with this one. And see where we can put these. Yeah, let's do that. I'm going to peel up the edge of this one and put my little diamond sticker in here. And I think I'm probably going to need to white out some of these lines, but I'm not sure yet what I'm going to white out. So let's see. Is that straight? That's fairly decent. And actually I can't see these lines through there. So I'm not even going to try to white that out. So now let's take this one on this side. And I think since I've kind of got this diagonal thing going over here, I'm going to just keep up with the diagonal over here. And just kind of put this sticker in between these two, go in the same diagonal direction. And then, of course, I'm going to fill in with some flowers. Y'all know I got to fill in with some of these flowers. These flowers in this Dream Seeker sticker book are so pretty. Okay. I think that's crooked. Okay. So yeah, I've got this weird diagonal thing going on here and didn't even realize it. So I do have this quote, and then I have these. So let me fold this over so I'm not looking at those 2 stickers. I think I'm going to put this "Be You" little banner up here on Thursday. Just because it's cute, so it's more just a little decorative piece that's going to go up here. If I can get this sticker lined up. And I am going to use some feathers, but then I have this little quote here that says, "You are beautiful." And where do I want to use this? I think I want to put it right down here on Wednesday. I don't usually do a whole lot of planning for Wednesdays anyway. Okay, so now let's get some of these flowers and feathers and just fill in. So we have these big, huge ones, and then we have some couple different size feathers, but I do want to stick to this same color combo. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this feather, and I think I am going to use these big stickers. I'm just not writing a whole lot in my social media planner, so it's okay if I use this much for decoration. So we'll see how it turns out. And if you do ever like over decorate with flowers, you can always, if you need more room to write, you can grab a colorful box that matches and just put it over top of your flower. Like if midweek you find out that you over decorated and you need more space, just put a colorful box or something over top of your flower and you can write on it. So I think I'm going to put this right under the edge of this notes sticker and see how it looks under there. And then I'm not sure if I'm going to white out all of these lines. We'll see what I figure out here in a second. I think that's just kind of cute like it is, and I don't know if these are going to bother me or not. We'll see. For right now, they're not. But I think this looks really cute, even though it's like a weird diagonal pattern. I think it's kind of cute. So now let's go to this side, and let's take this sticker and maybe I don't think I like that, but I don't know how I want to put this down, because I feel like if I put it like this, it may look silly, but it may not. Let me try to peel these other stickers up and lay them on top and see how that looks. It may be okay. So we'll put this one under here. And I may just leave this one on top of this long sticker, because I think that's kind of cute like that. So I am going to need another floral to go here, and then I do want to use a couple feathers. So I'm wondering if I could take this feather and maybe decorate the corner of this sticker. Yeah, that's kind of cute too. So let's try to grab one more floral and see if I can't put something up here. I've got to try to find things that match. This is the same exact sticker, but I'm just going to make it work. So this is the same exact sticker, only smaller. But I'm going to make it work, and I think I'm going to peel this up just a little bit. If I can get it up. That's a lot of peeling right there. So let's see, how do I want to do this? Maybe, yep, like that. And I think this is cute hanging over, so I'm just going to leave it. So I have this weird diagonal going on here, but I think it's cute. So I'm going to leave that side, and let's go to this side and just see. I think this is kind of cute, even though it's weird. It's strange, but I kind of like it. Now I just need to see if I can't put this feather somewhere over here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make this feather work. I think it's going to be weird unless I put it maybe under my quote. Let's see what that'll look like. And with this layout, even though I've got all these stickers, I feel like I still have a lot of room to write. How did I want to do that, y'all? Like this? Yeah, let's do that. Maybe, yeah, I think that's cute. So basically, I just filled in my whole to-do list, but I still have room to write all through these top boxes. So I guess it just depends on what you use your layout for. This is just my social media planner, so I left myself actually plenty of room, and I think this spread turned out pretty cute. Y'all let me know in the comments. It is definitely different, but I think it's pretty cute. So let's put it back in my planner and see what it looks like here. And I was trying to, like I was saying, I was trying to Frankenplan my Planner Babe planner in here, because I like the dashboards and this currently page in it, and that may be something I still do, but I love this actual weekly layout in the Encourager. It's just that some of these dividers, I like the Planner Babe better, so I made Frankenplan a little bit. I just like to keep things fresh because I do get bored. But anyways, here's what it looks like. Y'all let me know in the comments if you liked it or not. And thank you again to everybody who replied to my questions last week about my editing. And I will see you guys on my next video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you do consider. If you do subscribe, make sure you hit the little bell on the side there so you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload. And this is it. So I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.